In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Crossmark on Adobe Acrobat i2026. Let's get started by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the app is up, look toward the upper left corner of the window. You'll see the main menu area. Click the menu and choose Open. This tells Acrobat you want to bring a file into view. A file picker will appear. Browse to the PDF where you want to add a crossmark, select it, and then click Open again. Give it a moment to load. With your document on screen, shift your attention to the left side of Acrobat's interface. There's a vertical toolbar with several tool icons. Among these, you should see an option that relates to filling in forms, often labeled Fill in Form fields or similar. Click that to switch into the mode designed for placing marks and simple annotations onto the PDF. Inside this mode, look for the Crossmark option, the one that shows a simple X. That's the tool we'll use. When you select it, your cursor changes so you can place that X exactly where you need it. Move to the appropriate spot on your page and click once to drop the crossmark. If it lands slightly off, don't worry, you can drag it to fine-tune the position or press the arrow keys for tiny adjustments. If you make a placement you don't like, use undo to step back and try again. A quick tip for precision: zoom in before placing the X, especially if you're aligning it to a checkbox or a small form area. After placing the crossmark, you can usually adjust its size using the on-screen controls or the text size buttons shown in the Fill and Sign toolbar. Make it large enough to be clearly visible, but not so big that it spills outside the intended field. If you don't immediately see the Fill in Form fields option on the left, open the broader tools view and look for Fill and Sign, then return to your document. Interface labels can vary slightly depending on your version and operating system, but the workflow is the same. Open the PDF, enter the fill or sign mode, choose the crossmark, and place it. Once your X is placed where you want it, review the page to ensure the mark is aligned and legible. When you're satisfied, save your PDF so the change is preserved. If you're working on an original you need to keep unchanged, consider saving a copy with a new name. That's all there is to it. You've just added a crossmark in Adobe Acrobat quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.